day, my parents and my grandparents were in deep conversation about where to go, and we finally decided to go to Kerala, Kumarakom, which is a luxurious place. Kumarakom is a mesmerizing place near Vembanadu Lake, and then we started on scenic drive to the Hotel Gokulam Grand bordering the Vembanadu.
To reach this place by road, it takes just 6 hours by car. But the best way to reach this place is to take a flight from Cochin Airport and then engage a taxi. It takes about 3 hours to this place from airport, or if you use train as your transportation, then it is just 1 hour from Kottayam railway station. Booking can be done through TripAdvisor or any other website. We stayed at one of the best resorts in Kumarakom, Gokulam Grand Resort, located on the banks of Vembanadu Lake. The reception, front desk, the surroundings, the rooms, the restaurants, playroom, the pond and the swimming pool were all fantastic.
Kumarakom is a significant place in world map because it is one of the only two places lying below the sea level in the world. Because of this reason, the sea water mixes with the lake water, and slightly salty water allows the growth of rare species of fish varieties. Houseboats are huge boats with all the safety precautions and air conditioning. Rooms are fully furnished, rooms and kitchen and attached toilets. They prepare food in the boat itself and serve you according to your choice.
Apart from the lake cruise and speedboat, the resort offers many other complimentary water sports. Such as kayaking, pedal boating, bamboo rafting, cycling, and swimming, and also features many indoor games. I'll also sit in the back.
In their restaurant, they serve buffet as well as a la carte. A truly delicious and mouth-watering delicacies.
We hired an exclusive 2-hour private boat trip by the Shikara boat for a cruise through the riverside and village side. The trip was like a Venice boat cruise, or even better than that. It is really astonishing to see people living in the bank of the river with their routine activities interrelated and integrated with the river. Sites like small boats driven by ladies, load carriers, big houseboats, vessels cleaning in the river, and the beautiful migratory birds. This cruise gave us a beautiful, unforgettable experience. The rates for the exclusive rides vary between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees, depending on your period of usage. There are small boats allied shikara boats which cannot go too deep into the lake, but suited us for the small rivers.
We had an excellent Bharatanatyam dance in the evening in the open atmosphere, and the inmates were thrilled with the beautiful dance.